Today I'm going to show you how to go from wheels that look like that, which is pretty awful, to that. You can see the difference there. Now disregard the tires. The tires are getting changed out this week. Now all you're going to need for this is some sort of a small grinder. I suppose you could use your electric drill if, battery operated drill if you wanted to, although you're going to go through a lot of batteries. This whole process to do all four wheels will take an afternoon, but I'm going to use my die grinder. I have an air-powered die grinder. I'm going to use that. And then all you need to do is use some Roloc wheels on that. So they're real stiff, rugged pads that go, and they're very easy. They go on and off. I have three different sets of abrasive pads here, blue ones, red ones, and the brown ones. And I got these in a big old bag from Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description box below to get them. They're very inexpensive. I think I got 50 of them. Now for my grinder I need a 2-inch wheel, and for this job I like to use the brown ones, and which are pretty coarse, and then the blue ones, which are a lot finer. And you can see they just simply, to replace it when they get worn down like this one is, they just unscrew, and I have an adapter. In fact, I think this kit, this bag of Roloc wheels comes with the adapter, so if you have a small die grinder or your drill, I think it comes with this rubber adapter, and then they just have a little thread on the wheel, and you just simply thread it onto your grinder, and now you're good to go. Now you want to have several of these because you're going to go through about maybe 4 or 5 of these wheels per wheel, so of the Roloc wheels. So you're going to need about 4 or 5 of them for each wheel that you're going to work on. So so make sure you get a bag. I think, like I said, I think this was a bag of 50. And that's pretty much all you need. And then now you can either powder coat the wheels. Now these are aluminum wheels. If you go and you have steel wheels, it's going to take a much stiffer abrasive depending how rusty they are, but it's still possible to work on them. I'm going to do the same thing to my spare wheel as well. But these are aluminum, and I'm just simply using black wheel paint because I'm trying to keep the cost down on the truck, so I don't want to go through it'd be another probably $300 to get them powder sandblasted and powder coated. So I'm just going to go with the wheel paint for now, and be putting new tires on this week. Okay, let's get to it. It's really working well with the brown Roloc wheel. So I'm just going to continue going around this, and I'll see you when it's finished. Okay, so I got these 2 wheels done, and I'm just going to spray paint them now. Again, make sure you just go with a light coat on these, and then that way you can always go over with a second coat so that you don't get a runny finish. Okay, so here's the wheels all finished, painted, and I have new tires put on, and they look pretty good. You can see here, close. they came out pretty good. So it really didn't cost me anything. A few dollars, a couple cans of spray paint, and the abrasive wheels for my die grinder, and came out pretty good. So there's the S10 wheels. So it's something you can do in a weekend real easy yourself, and really sets off the color of your truck then. Now you can make, I just decided to go with black, a satin black, instead of silver, because I just like the look of it a lot better. Alright, so that's Joe Stowe. I'll see you on the next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.